Yeah, Approach Services, they've been around for about 5 years now. I first met Eva and Sam about 7 years ago, and we've been friends and colleagues and worked on projects together. And recently they invited me to do the motivation component of the course, which was absolutely fantastic, and also another component, value-driven leadership, which both of these components were sensational, very beneficial for us, really insightful, really interesting, and a lot of fun. The motivation workshop that I did, I found immediate learnings from that. In fact, the progress card is still sitting on my fridge. But two of the really interesting aspects of that course, one of them was a visualisation walk where as a team we took to the streets, which was really quite fabulous. And then on top of that we did our own vision boards too, which I'm constantly adding and subtracting from day in, day out, because it's important to keep your eye on the prize and keep your eye on the goal of what it is you're trying to do and why these things are so important. And what's so fabulous also about this course from Approach Services is the fact that I was really surprised that they keep the numbers so low, and by only having maximum 10 people at once in a course, it means you can have an intense amount of time and effort directed at your way and directed at what it is that you're experiencing by the facilitators. So that, to me, that was the real selling point for this course. So what I found most beneficial from this course was that it gave me these insights into my own head and my heart, and it delved quite deeply into areas I wasn't always willing to go easily. So it's a wonderful accompaniment for any woman who wants to go to the next level in terms of becoming an emerging leader or a executive inside businesses. It's not your stock standard leadership development module by any stretch of the imagination. It's fun, it's high impact, energetic, really interesting, and it gives you a chance to work with the other people present, very much hands-on, so not at all like the standard leadership development modules of the past. And what a wonderful brand. They're very caring in that sort of environment, so they go about things very carefully in the course, and pace things with people's learning styles. So I can wholeheartedly recommend Approach Services and this course and these modules. You'll see return on investment 2, 3, 4-fold. And it's so valuable what you learn from it and what you take away from it. So I can absolutely recommend that you should do this course and get in contact with Approach Services today.